Welcome to The Explainer. Every so often in science, two completely different lines of research smash into each other and reveal something, something totally unexpected. And today, we're digging into one of those stories about COVID vaccines and cancer.
Okay, so let's just jump right in. It all started with a really simple, really important question. How well do these vaccines actually protect cancer patients? I mean, we know they're a vulnerable group, but what two major studies found was an answer that was, let's just say it was far more complex and frankly, way more astonishing than anyone could have predicted.
All right, so let's start with the first piece of this puzzle. There was this massive study, we're talking over 2,300 cancer patients, that was published in the European Journal of Cancer. And its goal was to answer that one very straightforward question about protection.
And at first glance, the results were exactly what you'd hope to see. The vaccine was clearly working as a shield. With just one dose, 4% of patients still got a breakthrough infection. But after 2 doses, look at that, it plummets to less than 1%. And with 3 doses, it drops to 0, a perfect score. So the bottom line was clear, the vaccine was doing its fundamental job.
But, and this is a really big but, that's kind of where the simple, happy story ends. Because that same study then asked a much tougher question. What happens to the few vaccinated patients who do get sick? And the answer, honestly, was pretty grim.